I know that you are probably wondering what the heck am I doing in my bathtub, but have you ever wondered how can I clean all that clogged up hair that is right here in this shower drain? In this video, I will show you one simple trick on how you can get all that hair out of there, and we are going to do that by using a simple straw. Now, if you try to put this straw in your shower drain like this, you will not catch any hair. First, we need to modify this straw a little bit. Take a pair of scissors and cut this straw a little bit. We want to cut out a couple of pieces of this straw. As you can see right here, I am making something like a ladder. We want to have these gaps in which we will catch the hair in the drain. Make a couple of these gaps, but make sure that overall straw structure remains strong. We don't want this piece of straw falling off and remaining in the drain. Now insert this straw through the drain holes. Rotate it a little bit and take out the hair. And by doing this, you will remove all hair that is trapped in your shower drain. This is why we needed a strong straw structure. As you can see right there, there's always a possibility that the straw can break up and that it can remain in the drain. So just pull out everything very carefully. Now repeat this process until you get all of that hair out of there. Now, if that clogged up hair is a little bit deeper down the drain, you can use a longer zip tie or a longer strong cable in order to reach that hair. Just make sure to make enough cuts alongside that zip tie. That's basically it. I hope that this trick can help you. It sure did wonders for me. I have 3 girls in this house and I make sure to clean my drain every month because there's a lot of hair in this house and I don't want to have any bigger problems. You can easily have a bathroom flood if you don't clean up that hair regularly. Thank you guys for watching, and if you are interested in any other cleaning solution, make sure to check out these suggestions right here. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.